Welcome to our JavaScript basic tutorial. In this video, we will cover the fundamental concepts of JavaScript. In JavaScript, variables are used to store values. We can declare variables using let, const, or var keywords. JavaScript has several data types that you should be familiar with. JavaScript has various operators for performing arithmetic, comparison, logical, and assignment operations. Conditional statements are used to execute different blocks of code based on the certain conditions. Loops are used to execute a block of code repeatedly for a specific number of times. Functions are reusable blocks of code that can be called multiple times in your program. Functions can take parameters, which are values passed to the function when it is called. Functions can also return values which can be used in your program. Arrays are collections of values that can be accessed using indexes. Objects are collections of key-value pairs that can be used to represent complex data structures. Null and undefined are two special values in JavaScript that represent the absence of a value. JavaScript's syntax is relatively simple and easy to learn. Following best practices can make your code more readable, maintainable, and efficient. In the next video, we will dive deeper into JavaScript and explore more advanced topics.